Hello, good morning students. Today's transcription number 231 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, Sir, I welcome the bill which has been moved by the Honorable Minister. This is a bill which has got the consent of the important organizations of the scheduled castes and of the scheduled tribes, and as such it is in the fitness of things that we should try to respond to the desire of those organizations and their representatives. Sir, the sentiment of those organizations is quite understandable because in the arrangement as it exists at present, those members of the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes who want to take advantage of the reservation made for them in the Constitution in order to represent certain constituencies in the legislatures are laboring under a distinct disadvantage. The disadvantage is that a double member constituency, by its very nature, is an unwieldy constituency, and except in certain urban areas, the constituency covers a very wide area and it becomes very difficult for any member to approach each and every voter as he should and to convey them his ideas, his policies, and his programs and to canvass his vote. Sir, it is a well known fact that the larger the constituency, the greater the expenditure for any candidate who wants to get the votes of the electorate in that constituency. The members of the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes are not so prosperous or have not got enough resources to manage such large constituencies, and therefore what happens in the ultimate analysis is that this member of the scheduled castes or the scheduled tribes has to enlist the cooperation of the candidate who stands for the general seat, and even the newspapers normally describe the candidate from the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes as rather a running mate of the candidate who is fighting for the general seat. It is a very undesirable thing because thereby the special protection which the Constitution has given and which this Parliament has extended would not be available to the members of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes, and they will have to enlist the support of the general constituency candidates. It is perhaps because of that and because of the lack of resources and because of unwieldiness the constituency should be bifurcated. Again, sir, there is a provision that after the delimitations a chance will be given to the various parties concerned to make any representation.